got cleaned up a little bit, cleaned up after our track, and oh my, no, Brian decided to just toss his shoes and including his socks, and yeah.
You're like putting in the effort cleaning them off when they're about 10 years old. So,
Anyway,
they're gone.
yeah, and we're kind of, now we have all our luggage with us, and we're still not showered yet, but we are walking to our hotel so we can shower there. I'm so thankful I brought my other shoes. Like, these shoes, I don't know, I'm just gonna have to clean it and let it dry. Walk into the hotel. We're seeing some people in heels and stuff, and it's like,
That's okay.
it's kind of cold because I'm wet. Ooh. This time we're walking uphill with all our luggage. My legs are already sore from yesterday, and now it's just more to come. All luggage. Feels like I can't walk uphill anymore. Oh, the muscles are sore and tight. My socks are wet, so my pants need it. So glad I wore two pants today. I just took the outer layer off.
For this trip, we've been upgraded a couple of times. It's been kind of nice.
I don't know if it's just this trip, because this is the actual first hotel we stayed at for like this trip. But this year we've been upgraded.
Right. Well, we also like on our cruise for Holland Bay, because we were doing the extra day, and the boat wasn't full. We got upgraded to the second floor, and it was nice. It wasn't that big of an upgrade, but kind of same thing here. It's not a huge upgrade, but it's like superior to deluxe. And we get on the 5th floor instead of the 2nd, which is kind of nice.
Yeah. Oh my word, check out that swan thingy they put on our bed. Like, I'm not sure what to think of this. Apparently Brian forgot to take a towel in the shower, but the towel is the swan you're right here.
I was gonna wear these a second ago, but these are
Size for Asians.
these are Asian size for sure. Yeah, they don't quite fit. It's okay.
Just put some socks on, I guess.
No, just get in bed.
This is too fancy. We don't even know how to get in bed.
I do. I'm just gonna get under blankets.
So I pulled my pants up and wanting to take my socks off, and check it out. It's like an exact straight line of where it got muddy and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, my feet's kind of gross, but
This is what happens from trekking in Sapa in the winter when it's super rainy.
yeah, and muddy. But it was also worth it. Like, I
It
would
was-
do it again. Maybe
yes.
not in the winter.
It was worth it. It was worth doing it in the winter once for sure.
Yeah.
No. That's nasty.
Yeah. If you come in the winter, make sure you bring like knee-high boots that are
Yeah.
completely rubber boots that not gonna get wet at all.
Yeah, or rent them from them.
Yeah,
It's like $30K a day.
Yeah, I actually brought boots, but they're nicer boots, and I didn't want to get them. So I didn't wear them. But
You
these
maybe should
shoes-
have.
they're kind of set right now. But I'm gonna clean them off as best as
Yeah.
I can. Like we're gonna charge $70K to like wash them, and I'm too cheap for it.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't mind getting all the laundry done, but. 'Cause
We
could
kind of
wear-
need it
Yeah, plus
anyway.
it's stinky. Plus we're kind of running out of clothes anyway because we're packing carry-on only.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we can just last through our time. So I am currently at our hotel in Sapa. Here's the balcony, and that is a Sapa town. But what is really cool is that it's actually not that cold right now, but you can see my breath as I talk here. Well, I mean, I can see it. I'm not sure if you will catch it on video, but it's super misty. Super, super misty. So we're halfway getting breakfast, and what did I notice? Hold on. Check it out. They have actual napkins, but it's from Vietnam Airlines, probably stolen. Look at that steam. So we are walking down into the fog. It's kind of misting right now, and our hotel is right back there. So we're walking into the fog. It's crazy foggy, as you can tell, you can barely see anything. So we are in Cat Cat Village, and there's a waterfall. Hello, chickie. Where are you going? This is like Niagara Falls wanna be, except it's not natural.